I found the best way to network in this field is just by getting in front of people. There's a lot of people who will, base their entire business off of leads. I have a lot of loan officers that I'm speaking to about a potential job. Ask, well, what do you do for what do you do for leads? And we do organic lead generation, right? We try to build our business not based on people who are paying to put their information out on the internet, but based on relationships. Everybody who's anybody in the mortgage industry knows, like, once you reach a certain point in your career, you realize that that this is based on building relationships and maintaining relationships, just like any other type of sales. So the most powerful way, the most powerful lead, the most powerful customer that I have is somebody who's had a good experience with me or with one of my loan officers that refers a friend, who has real world experience. They know that Ben and Ben's company, J&R Funding, we're going to take care of you. You're going to get a great rate, and you're gonna get honest information. When we tell you something is going to happen, it's going to happen. It's better than any Google review. Anything you could possibly read online is having a friend or a family member say, "Hey, I used this person and it was great." Besides that, besides just direct customer experience, somebody who's been on the other side of a transaction, a real estate agent, a title agent, an insurance agent. I work with a couple of financial advisors that I do almost exclusively all the lending for their wealth management customers who need to take out a home equity line of credit, or maybe they're looking to upsize or downsize or pull cash out of an investment property. And those people who have had multiple customers who have dealt with me and have all been satisfied, they've got a very good point of reference, to kind of know what to expect when their other customers deal with me. So, that's really the best way that I've found to network, is just through the general course of business. I don't really believe in, I know people ask, like, what can you get from what can you give me, right? And we give a lot, you know what I mean? We give a high level of service. We'll help with marketing, all of that stuff. But that's not really the defining point in what we offer. Is it's not a transactional type of business. It's based on the relationships and getting the deals done. Because at the end of the day, that's what this is about. It's about the light at the end of the tunnel. The end goal is to have a successful transaction. It's not to get concert tickets or a nice steak dinner, lunch at the Capitol Grill every week, or whatever it is. That stuff doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things. So I found the best way to network in this field is just by getting in front of people. There's a lot of people who will base their entire business off of leads. I have a lot of loan officers that I'm speaking to about a potential job. Ask, well, what do you do for leads? And we do organic lead generation, right? We try to build our business not based on people who are paying to put their information out on the internet, but based on relationships.